apparently I've bought a laser gun. Save electricity, save fuel, more safety. What? For a bike. But luckily it is actually what I thought it would be. Oh, it's quite big. Ooh, it is quite... That's quite nice, that is. So I'm hoping this will be a really nice switch activated, super bright floodlight that I can just have extra on the bike. I've got no idea actually how bright this will be. The pictures on Amazon showed it as being absolutely insane. It's all very much Chinese. Oh, I dropped it. Anyway, we'll see what this is like. Okay, this just got even better. I was thinking I was going to have to cut a groove in the bracket here so I could tilt the light left and right. It's already done. That's amazing. You can't see that in the listing. So this, you can tilt this forwards and backwards and left and right in there. That is absolutely perfect. Off, on. It's pretty damn good. It's pretty damn good. So I've got the LEDs around outside, what I call a daytime running light, the DRL, and I've also got the middle bulbs on as well. I used to have it so if I flicked the switch they would brighten up, but what I discovered is with this extra light here, there's not enough current and it all dies out. So I've got that lot going on there, so that's on the dimmer setting, but it looks really cool and it gives a little bit of light out onto the road. But then if I flick the switch, I get the mega bright, or the new little light, which I quite like because it's quite compact on the bike. It is plastic on the front, but this is metal, and some of the reviews suggest that it is alright in the rain. So that is pretty damn bright, and that is not too bad. So when there's no one around I can flick this on. If I need to turn it off I can just turn it off, or I can just flash people. So pretty chuffed for that. We'll see how that goes for the winter. So I've got this little light on instead of the full strip, because I don't think the full strip would play too well with this, because this has already got all these LEDs and 4 LEDs here. To then have another strip would probably be a bit much, and it's quite a heavy unit. I might one day put this in here instead of this, but I really like this. It's just got a cool look. So yeah, the cabling is a bit crazy, but eventually I've worked it out. So I've disconnected. That's the positive for what was the high beam, so that doesn't connect to anything. And then I've connected in the new light to the switch. It's such low voltage, you can just play with this stuff until it works. That's what I do. So I've got the lights on, just got to load up. Right now I'm loaded up. I've got a wetsuit in a box. Oh. Yeah. This is why I love the low loader. You never know what you're going to need to put on it. It's not really any wider than my bars, so should be alright. This cheap little 12 quid light. See what it's like. Let's go. It's really difficult to see. You can sort of see my spotlight, and then if I turn on the cheap light, look at that spotlight. There's the spotlight. Off, on. It's pretty damn good. It's pretty damn good. So to summarise quickly, I'm gonna leave the setup like that with the little 12 quid light on the handlebars, but with the round main light. Works really well. It's super bright. You can so see enough. It's amazing. I rode obviously all the way home with it. I didn't film much on the way home because you can't really see a whole lot. And GoPros never work that well at night. They like a lot of lights. But I think I captured it quite well with the phone when I had just stopped. It's how I'm going to run the whole winter. And if it wasn't good enough, I wouldn't do it. I'd put something else on. But I'm definitely giving it the thumbs up.